I keep telling you fat loss starts in the kitchen. So before I teach you macros and calories, I teach you structure starting with your meal prep. Now I'm holding this mic because you keep falling off track, not because you lack motivation, but you lack that structure in your meals. Now I'm gonna teach you the exact method, the same method I use and the same method I teach my clients in my one-on-one coaching. So grab your notebook and pencil and start taking notes. For those of you guys who don't know me, I'm Akima and I'm a weight loss coach who's lost almost 100 pounds by changing my structure. A girl who hated to cook now is the meal prep queen. So let's go over the first lesson that I taught myself, my meal prep strategy. How the heck do I meal prep every single week and stay consistent with it? Well guys, I actually meal prep two ways. I either meal prep once a week on Sundays like I do right now, or I meal prep twice a week, usually on a Sunday and a Wednesday. I did this because I was hybrid. I was a corporate girl, so some days out of the week I would go into office. Now realistically, if you're a corporate girly, you know it's hard to eat lunch in the office, so that's high key why I needed to meal prep. I used to be wasting my money in the office. I actually started meal prepping twice a week, but I honestly hate to cook. I keep telling you guys I hate to cook, so I went down to once a week. It saves a lot of time, it cut costs, and it's just easier for me to meal prep once a week. I'm lazy, I'm sorry. Now, for those of you who do not like eating the same thing all the time, cut it out. 2 to 3 meals a week is enough for you to eat. You don't need to be eating 10 different meals a week. Now tell me this, are you really gonna sit down and prep 3 different dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? And let's say you want to prep a snack too. That's a lot of cooking. You're gonna spend hours in the kitchen. That's not simple. You're overcomplicating this. 2 to 3 meals is enough for you to prep. Pick 2 to 3 recipes. That's it. 2 to 3. I usually pick 2 lunch options, 1 dinner and 1 breakfast. I keep it simple. Don't make this overcomplicated. Moral of today's video, do not overcomplicate today's video. Now, let's talk about the grocery list. I know that can be a little overwhelming sometimes. You need to know 4 things when you're grocery shopping. Proteins, carbs, veggies, fats. This is your introduction to macros. Protein, carbs, fats. That is your macros. Us humans, we need to focus on 2 to 3 things. So just how we pick 2 to 3 recipes, we're gonna pick 2 to 3 of each for the categories. So typically my grocery list is so basic. My current rotation of protein is ground turkey and chicken. For carbs, I do white rice and I also do sweet potatoes. For vegetables, I'm not a veggie girl, but when I do, I really like me some spinach and zucchini. Holds a lot of water, a great source of veggie. And for fats, I don't even do 2. Avocados. I love avocados on everything. It adds a creamy texture. I love cheese. I love dairy. Avocado is like my dairy replacement, high key. From these ingredients, figure out which ones you can buy in bulk. Costco is my lifesaver. I guarantee you can buy all these things from Costco because I do all the time. Personally, with that grocery list that I just gave you, it's about 100 to 130 depending on your Costco prices, but that's basically my budget every single month. The only thing I buy one off is my veggies, and if I want to buy fruit, that's what I buy weekly, and my budget for that is about $50. That's basically what I do every single week. And this has helped me lose so much weight without overthinking it. And it's also helped me build a better relationship with food. When I started doing this every single week, that's when the scale consistently started dropping 1 to 2 pounds a week. And now I know the meal prep strategy to help my clients and myself drop up to 3 pounds a week. Fat loss starts with nutrition. Fat loss starts with nutrition. This is actually the first lesson of my one-on-one coaching. Phase 1 lessons are scheduled to be released at the end of the summer, but if you join my one-on-one coaching program, you get exclusive access to those lessons, and you can provide me feedback on the upcoming lessons in the program. If you want me to walk you through meal prepping and help you create that list that you need in that structure, I'd love to help. Most of my girls joining are starting on June 6th, and I'm actually running a coaching offer right now. If you commit for 6 months, your monthly price is $180. When you join for the summer, your startup fee is waived. If you're ready to stop starting over, you already know what to do. Go ahead and apply. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe so you can see more videos from me on my page. And if you don't have notifications on, you might want to put that on because I've just been dropping videos. I don't have a schedule as yet, so I'm so sorry. But as always, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below of what you would like to see next or what you would like me to break down. And you know, if you're a subscriber, if you comment, I always respond. So go ahead and do the dang thing. everything. Again, if you need a sign to apply, now is your time. The girls are waiting for you to join. Again, if you apply $180 a month for a 6-month commitment to start your transformation today. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.